Okay, we will start to open new file. We will be remove this grid. Okay, first set the units. Okay, then we will be use in centimeter. Here we use two precisions. Okay, we can use also Limex, but before you have to know what is the size of your drawing. See, this is the maximum sizes. This is 150 dia. So it means we can keep here 300, little bigger. So lim max, enter. There is 300, comma 300. Then we can use.
Sir, it's all mechanical.
All mechanical. First we will be do 10 practice drawing of this. Then we start the.
Maybe maybe I think you forget.
No. No, because
no, it's okay. It's good,
when we are using this one, we are knowing too many commands.
Yeah, more than when I study more than it's very
So
hard.
yeah,
Very hard.
so after you learn the commands, you can be make any type of drawings. So this is snap. We will use 2D spacing here, and then also snap setting. Okay, this is our the drawing sheet. After Limax, we put here 300. Then we make the grid setting. You must be know this is the setting of this. Must be 2D model space, adaptive grid, and all this unchecked. So the window will be seen in this way. You can see video in video here.
Video.
Yes. So then we have to set the layers U and enter. Layers L A enter, and we need here two layers. One is center line. We can choose any color. We're using red color, and then this is load the line. C for center. Okay. Use this center and okay. Second, I need for object. I am using this same white color, and also I am using this continue color. Layers. Third, I need dimension. Dim, and here I can use the green color or magenta color, anyone. Okay, this green color for dimensions. Also, we can use this pen assignment 15 mm for the center line. For the object must be heavy thickness, must be 35 or 40, and the dimension also 25 to 20. We give the thickness of the line weight. So now we will be use this center line first to making the center line. See here line L enter, then approximately start from the center. So this is almost center of my drawing. So this is ortho on for the straight line, so it goes the straight. And now we will be rotate this by rotate command RO enter, select object, take from the midpoint, and then use C for copy, and then click up. So this is rotate copy. In this way you get the center point of the diagram. See now my center. If you want to remove this grid, you can remove by clicking here. So now you are getting this clear screen. Here also, if you want to show the center line clearly, make LTS and give here 10 more spacing. So he show the tabs bigger than
LTS means
line type scale. LTS means line type scale. See insert a raster image and go to this practice drawing. Today is about this drawing. So I am making inserting here, and then I scaling this one around 5. So this is my drawing today. Practice drawing number 2. We have to make today this drawing. So see here we are finding one circle, this small circle, and then other circle is radius 20. Then we
dia 80.
dia is 80. This dia is 80 means this is the center point of the circles. Then maximum dia we have dia 150. So we will start gradually this. First I will change the layer and I am using this object layer. Here first I will be make first circle, his radius is 15. So C enter and go to the center point and this is 15. Then he is saying the second is here, this is 20. So C enter, center and then this is 20. Then he is saying we have one other circle, his radius is 25, this is. So we are making this is circle is 25. Okay. Now we completed this one, right?
First 3, yeah.
First 3 we completed. Now he is saying this small circle, his central dia is 80 regarding to this. So I am making one circle, C enter, and his dia D 80. So this is the center dia of this. Using this center line because this is not a circle, this is showing the center line.
Yeah.
See here from this straight 90 degree, he is using this small circle. His radius is 6. So how many this circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right?
8 divided by 360.
Okay, today I will give you another command so you can make perfectly this, okay, without using any calculating any angle. C enter and here I am making this radius is 6, correct? Now I need the 8 circle. See if you will see any similar object in similar distance or equal distance, we are using array command.
What?
Array command.
Array?
Yes. See, first see, AR enter, select this object, enter. Then he is saying, what do you want? We have 3 options in array command: rectangular, path, polar. For circle, we are using polar option. So you can click here polar and then go to the center of array. Then it is come like directly here. But this by default this is 6 atoms. We need here 8 atoms. So I am making here 8. See now he make 8 equally and similar object. Then automatically he calculate the angle between them and this is the total 360 is the full angle. Okay. So this is our small object is clear now. Now he is making this dia is 120 and then bigger dia is 150. So here I am making circle 1, his dia is 120 and then the last his dia is 150. Now we completed all the circles. Here he is saying between these 2 lines have 45-degree angle, right? So I have to make 2 lines, his between the lines is 45 degrees. So from here, how many I minus from 90? It become half of 45. So you can we say here line, we can calculate from here circle. See 45, 90, my 45 divided by 2. This is my angle 22.5, right? So minus 90. This is 67.5.
Minus 65. Yeah, 67.5.
67.5. This is my angle. I will make one line, L enter, go to here and say to here 250 and angle is 40, 67.5. What I calculate this. This is my one line is here from here to here. This line. This line.
This line, huh?
This line. Yes.
Yeah. 1 minute, how you get it? That one. So, the
Yes.
angle they give 45.
Yes. Angle is 45. Okay. Here I write. Angle is 45. Divide by 2. It become divided by
22.5.
22.5.
Yeah.
Okay. Then our bigger angle is 90, right?
Yeah.
Minus 22.5 then is equal to 67.5. This is my exact angle.
This,
I,
the
I, I saw.
19 angle. What is the 19 angle? What you mean the bigger angle?
See, this is my 90 degree. See, if I go from here 0
Yeah.
to this is 90 degree. From 90 degree, how many less it become 45 both sides. So this is 22.5.
Okay.
Then this is the angle measurement. Okay, 67.5 is my angle. Then I will be make here mirror. M I enter. Then this is mirror. I will be cut from here this and this and then this and this. Right? Just this is making it screen recording.
Screen?
Screen recording this. Okay. See here, now he is giving suggestion here dimension. From this angle to this angle he need 45 degree. So this is a similar here. This is already 22 degree, 22.5. So we have to add also 22.5 here to become 45 degree. Here is showing 45 degree, right? So in the polar, I can be give here 22.5 degree. Polar mean it will be move the same angle. This from here to here. This is 40 to 22.5 degree. Where is 22.5 is come? He will be give you the angle measurement. Okay, this is 22.5. So second is coming. This is 22.5. So I will be click here. Then I will be make this line from here to here. So it means it will be moved from here, and then I need to move this one here. Clear? See, remove this line. No need. Also no need. This I will be make array also by for AR enter. Click this is and go to polar, go to this center point and use here for enter. So this is from here, this is done, huh?
bensound.com. 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 Bensound.com.